Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to studio for the Let's Share face video because it's amazing. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. As you can see, this phone is still amazing in 2020. This is wonderful. This is my S Pen, amazing S Pen. I can write what I want and do what is possible to do. Okay, let me see more about this center. You can see this is amazing control panel, nice, and I like it. When you unlock with your fingerprint, as you can see, it's good. It's working very well. 6 GB of RAM. This is cool for gaming and many things. Look at, wonderful. Okay, beautiful. All right, now let's check. Okay, no problem. Notifications, always amazing. Now settings of always look at that. About phone sort of information 101. Okay, which is Android P. Wonderful. And today I have decided to install a new theme on my phone to change everything that I'll show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Go to the home screen. Now go on themes. No. You can see many themes here. Okay, Galaxy themes. Now, what can you do? You can check the brand new themes and you can select what you want to install. Okay. Okay. For example, I want to select this theme because it's beautiful. Now click on apply. You can download and apply. Okay, get ready, and this is a new theme. This is a new theme, and this is what I'm talking about. Not bad. Look at the icons, beautiful. Oh, look at that, wonderful. Look at this beautiful control panel, nice. You can see application edge, all of this icons change it, beautiful. Look at that, contact, this is your phone, messages. Look at all of this, I change it. Wow, this is nice. I've also a keyboard. Look at this keyboard, reactive, not bad. What do you think about this? Crazy. And what else? As you can see, it's good. Wow, this is nice. I have changed every system. This time change everything here. Everything. Okay, let's open some applications like calendar. Wow, look at that. All of this I change it also. Clock. This is my new clock. Wow, so nice. Beautiful. Stop it. Reset. Timer. Alright, as you can see, it's working very well. It's so clean, it's so beautiful. Calendar. Look at my new calendar. I like it. Can you see this? Do you see this? Do you believe this? It's working very well. Yes. What else? Calculator, amazing calculator. This term is amazing. This is a new term. A new term. As you can see, it's good, but I don't like the icons. This icons is small. Look at that, it's small, very very small. I want a big icons. How to do this? This is simple. Do the same action. Click on terms and click on this thing. You can see my stuff and icons. Click on apply with a default icon. Apply, and what? Welcome back to your original icons. You can just do what you want easily. As you can see, wow, it's so beautiful, it's so practical, it's so amazing. And you are keep your keyboard. Look at, you keep your keyboard, all of this. And wow, you also keep your calendar theme, new theme, and your control panel to be Atmos enable when you connect your headphone. And you have also the possibility to download a new icons. Okay, there are icons here, and you can download so much and beautiful new icons. Like what? Let's check. I can see so much icons here. I want to select something what I like. You see the top icons. What do you like now? What do you like here? I don't know. Okay, let's test. Let's test what? Okay, let's test this icons pack. Okay, mic icon 11. Okay, is it pure? Okay. Okay, let's download. Completing download. Now click on apply, and I will see what after. Okay, look at under. This is like 3D icons. Look at all of this, bro. Do you believe this? Look at that. Wow, this icons is strange. This icon is strange. Do you believe this? Look at that. Current icons, big. It's very very big. Wow. But your applications still also great. We see what I like more of this. Okay, you can download the icons what you like. Okay, you have a possibility to change the themes again, and go in the preview theme. You can click on default here and choose what you want. Okay, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 wallpaper pack. Wow, look at that. Let's see, unlock screen, double click. Look at that on your new always display, and look at that. Great. Ooh, look at this thing. Very beautiful. Ooh, it's so nice. It's so amazing. Unlock with your fingerprint. Great. As you can see, it's fast. Unlock. Beautiful. Again, acceptable. This is acceptable for me. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all. You can also support our channel. In the description, there are links to download my bank details. Thank you for watching. I love you, bro. And God bless you all. I see you later for the next video.